my gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick Sephora haul. We recently had 20% off and I picked up a few things, so I just thought I might just show you guys what I picked up. So if you're interested, please keep watching. The very first thing I picked up, it's from HENRIKSEN, and I actually picked up their Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. And it's a cleanser and it removes makeup as well. This is what it looks like. And it is 150 ml and it was $38 like before discount, and I just thought that it's a really good price for the size of that, because you know, this cleanser, I mean, like, it is a high-end cleanser, so it's under $40. It's a pretty good deal, and I've been using it and I really like it. It removes your makeup really well as well, so I'll just like use it as a double cleanser. So first I'll apply, remove my makeup, and then I go ahead the second time with the same cleanser and then just wash my face. And I'm actually really liking it, and it has like a really nice citrus smell to it, so picked up this one. The next thing I picked up, it's from Ultraviolet, and this is their SPF 50 Queen's Grain lightweight sunscreen, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like serum, I don't know if you will see, but it has this like runny consistency, very lightweight. I normally use the Mecca Maxima one, but I was really wanted to try this one because it's very lightweight, and yeah, it feels really nice as well. So picked up this sunscreen. Another thing I picked up, it's the Pixi Glow Tonic toner. This is what it's look like. I have heard really good things about it, so I was like, I might just give this one a go. Another thing I picked up, it's from KERR Organic, and this is their Noni Glow Face Oil. And I picked up just the small size because I just wanted to try a facial oil. And I do like KERR products. I have tried few and I actually really like it, so I just thought I might just try the smaller size to see how I go. The last thing I picked up is from Farmacy, and this is the vitamin C. I have not tried it yet, but I read really good reviews and I was like, I might just give this a go, and this is what it looks like. So that's all the things I picked up from Sephora sale. And I just bought this reusable shopping bag using my points, and they were giving away these facial rollers on that day, so it comes with this little velvet pouch, which is really beautiful. And yeah, this is what the facial roller look like. I do have the similar one in pink color, so yeah, this is what the roller look like. I picked a few things from KERR Beauty as well, so I might just gonna throw that one in as well. So it comes in this box right here. Yeah, I'm leaving for work in 10 minutes, so I'm just kind of rushing through this video. So the first thing I picked up from KERR Beauty is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, and this is what it's look like. I mean, this is the outer packaging, and this is 150 ml as well, but this was quite expensive compared to the HENRIKSEN one. I don't remember the exact price, but I will put it up on the screen. So this is what it looks like. I have not tried this one yet. Another thing I picked up, it's from WISHFUL, and this is their Your Glow Scrub. I have tried a sample from Sephora and I really like it, so I just picked this one up. And the last thing I picked up, it's again from WISHFUL, and this is their makeup remover cleanser. It's their makeup remover balm, and this is what the packaging look like. And this is what the balm look like. So I have not tried it. I probably will be filming a first impression using this one. The only thing I don't like is it doesn't come with a spatula, so you just have to use your fingers, and I'm just worried like if I need a little bit more, so I just have to wash my hands before digging my fingers in it. So yeah, that's a little bit disappointing, but oh well. So that's that. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. That's all the things I picked up from Sephora and KERR Beauty recently. If you liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye gorgeous.